good, y'all? We back at y'all with another one of these things. Early in the morning, I got my boy Leroy with me. Y'all gonna see him because he gonna hit some fish too. We finna get active. You already know we looking for them soccer lake. But if them bass, they hit, that'll be fun. But he gonna go back in the water. If that catfish hit, that'll be fun. I'm gonna give him to my step pops. You already know what I'm talking about. We gonna start off at about 3, maybe 4, 5 feet. See if we can get some, up in the bucket. Appreciate y'all. Stay tuned. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Do all them things you supposed to do on YouTube. Already. All right, y'all. Got a little bait on there. We'll drop this down the bottom. That's about 3, 4 feet. About 3 actually.
He's gone already.
That's just that shiner. That was a soccer lake. Ooh, that wind blowing. I don't think I put enough clothes on this morning, people. It's chilly. Yeah, it is. The fish start biting, I warm up.
This pier is filthy.
Yeah,
A lot of people have been over here fishing.
Uh-huh. That's what I was saying when I walked up. Cigarette butts, so much seaweed.
A lot over there.
Nothing but that old bass. Man, I don't know what's up with these little small fish today. Goodness gracious. I can't even lift that little old thing. It seems as if we cold, so are the fish. Maybe we need the sun to come up. I don't know.
I think it's the sun.
Yup. That boy ain't feel no steel though. Told you. Told you. I ain't talking about it like that at all.
I think that sun gonna heat it up for an hour or two, then it's gonna die off.
That's cool. That's about when we gotta pume anyway.
Yep.
We don't get all that make the Bible fall. But I sure want to. I bet if I wasn't paying no attention, bro, I caught that thing.
That's how it plays out.
Yep, he'd have swallowed it, everything. I saw it. Just wanted to bring him to the light. Just give me the light. Just give me the light. Camera done died, but look at what that boy there got.
That's how we doing it.
Uh-huh.
It might be slow, but you know what? He made it worthwhile. Yes, sir. Oh, he got hooked. He got hooked. Got that right here in my back. I knew I was going to.
Say it again now.
I said he ain't the biggest, but he's strong. He lucky.
Like we said, ain't no bass coming home today.
He lucky that he not a different species. That sound like a brick.
Side I tell you. Y'all, my bad. But look at that thing I just caught. I want to say that might be one of the nicest accolades y'all done seen me catch. And this ain't even big though. Wait till I hit that road on y'all. But I'ma take him though. And guess what? It was cause that sun came out. Let me stop before I run out of breath and pass out.
Yeah, it's that sun.
Say, bro, that one I had missed right there, it was the same thing.